Hi everyone, welcome back to Frugal and Bougie. So Ron, what are we making today? I'm kind of nervous at what I'm seeing here on the counter.
So today's episode is going to be more frugal, and we're going to be using something that I grew up on, one of my favorites. I'm sure you've seen it before, but we're going to be using Spam!
So yeah, I've definitely seen it before. It's been a long time. Like I was a kid the last time I had like a Spam sandwich or like fried Spam and stuff.
Right.
So I really don't remember so much what it tastes like. It's kind of creepy in the can, but we'll see what you can do with it.
So Spam, yeah, Spam, I grew up on Spam. Every Asian household uses Spam with rice, with a lot of other things. I'm sure in, your household you'll probably use it more for a sandwich. So we're going to do both today. I'm actually going to make a Spam musubi sandwich, but not really a sandwich, more of a kind of like a sushi roll. And then you're going to make a Spam sandwich. So
okay.
I'm going to show you how to make it.
Alright, so, sounds great.
Let's go, guys.
Alright, Ron, so what do we have here? I see like some different things going on, just kind of guide me. What are we doing?
Yeah, absolutely. So first, we're going to make your Spam sandwich, but all we do is just cut up some Spam, toss it in a medium to medium-high heat skillet, flip it on both sides. The thing is, Spam is already cooked, so you can't really undercook it. You can, and the more you overcook it, it just gets crispier. So you be the judge. But pretty much all you do, Kyle, is you take a slice of bread, put some mayo on it.
When we do that now?
Yeah, you can do that now.
Okay.
Take a slice of bread, put some mayo on it.
Alright, I got the mayo.
Make sure you cover all of it because the mayo really brings out the flavor. Spam is naturally really salty, so you don't really need anything else added to it, like salt, pepper, or anything. Okay. It's already salty.
I'll do both sides.
Yeah, I love doing both sides too. Whatever kind of spread it is, both sides really good.
Alright.
All you need is just put 2 pieces of Spam in between. And like I said, guys, this is really frugal, but it's a really tasty meal.
2 pieces?
2 pieces.
Okay.
Cover that right up. And you just use that same knife, just cut it in half.
Okay, we'll cut it. So what do you want to make?
So I'm going to make the Spam musubi. It's actually really easy. After you are...
I think before you do that, I think the microphone's low. You might want to get the replacement.
Okay, you want to get it?
Yeah, go get it. It's in the office right there.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll arrange this back.
Are we going to cut this out?
Yeah, we'll cut it out.
Okay, so for mine's really easy. All you do is take Spam. What you're going to do is you're going to put some saran wrap, about that much, into the box. You're going to line every inch of that Spam box.
Okay.
So what
like a barrier.
Yeah, a barrier so you can just pull out the musubi later.
Perfect.
So what you do is you're going to take some rice. Any white rice will do, but I prefer jasmine because usually in an Asian household you already have this laying around. So you're going to take probably about half a cup.
So it looks really like clumped, like sticky. Is that like you want that?
Right, yeah, you want that stickiness to it. And you're gonna push it down. You're gonna line every kind of corner of that musubi of the rice all the way down. What you do next is, what I like to do is I like to brush just a little bit of that soy mixture that we did over the rice. This kind of gives it, you don't want to use too much because the Spam's already salty. It kind of gives it a little bit of a sweeter flavor.
So what was in the soy mixture?
The soy mixture itself is just a little bit of about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of mirin as well. So you're going to take a piece of Spam, put it on the inside, push it down to make sure that rice gets all the way down to the very bottom right there. And all you do once you're done is lift up your saran wrap. And this is my favorite part, guys. You're just going to pull it out just like that. Really easy.
It's like a sushi with a piece of salmon on top.
Right.
But will it taste like that? No.
I wouldn't compare it to sushi just because you're using seaweed.
True.
But here, I'll show you the seaweed. That's all it is, guys. Now, you're going to put it over your nori. Nori looks like this, or any kind of seaweed that you have. You can buy these bigger blocks and cut it into thirds as well.
Like a mega one.
Right. Put it down. You're going to roll your nori up and around it, just like that. You're going to flip it over, and that's it. That's all you have. That's your Spam musubi.
Wow.
Wow.
that looks really cool, and I'm not sure what it's going to taste like because I mean at the end of the day it's Spam, and so I'm still a little nervous about trying it, but it looks really good and like really cool. So let's see.
Yeah, you can't really compare both of these, but at the end of the day, it's both really, really good, really cheap to make. Really, I wouldn't say cheap. I would say frugal to make, and it really, really hits the taste bud. Kind of tastes a little bit of your childhood as well.
It's true because for mine that we made was just Spam, which is pretty inexpensive anyways.
Right.
Mayo and bread, so everyone probably already has that in their house. Yours, most people would have rice, Spam. You would just have to buy seaweed. And this stuff, I mean, it's not very expensive, is it?
That's about maybe $2 in your international aisle at your local grocery store.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's try it.
Okay, what do you try first?
Let's try the Spam sandwich first.
Okay, let me cut it. I'll just use this. So don't need it anymore.
Can't wait. I love Spam, guys. Take the leftover Spam here.
Oh my gosh.
You want a bite?
I mean, it's okay. I want to have the whole experience with this. So, we got the Spam sandwich.
Look how it looks, guys. It looks really good.
It does.
Try it.
All right.
Cheers. So what do you think?
So, honestly, I didn't want to like it because it's Spam. It's like meat in a can. But I actually really like this. It just brings back some nostalgia. If the memories are coming back, and it's good. I mean, I would eat this like for lunch or something.
Right, it's really easy to make, but you know, I've only had this a couple of times, but it tastes kind of like a cheesy flavor to it that tastes really good. I don't know what that is.
I don't know, but it's good. Whatever you did. But let me go to this one.
Maybe some mayo. Has the mayo go bad?
No,
it tastes really good.
No, it's not the mayo. It's new. Let's do yours now.
So let's try the Spam musubi. Have you had this before, Kyle? No, right?
Never.
So take a bite.
You just bite it?
Yeah, you just bite into it.
It tastes like wasabi.
Trust me, you know. This is how salty it is. Salty already as it is. What do you think?
I like it. I can't lie. I cannot lie. This is actually good. Like the Spam is Spam. Like you said, it's salty, so it really doesn't need anything.
Yeah.
And you get the rice, and then the seaweed, and it just kind of like all works together. Like I'm kind of confused, like because I want to think I'm imagining sushi just because of the rice and seaweed. But you got like the Spam that comes through. I mean, yeah. I mean.
So there you have it, guys.
Good job.
That is two really easy things that you can make. It really takes about less than 5 minutes to make.
Yeah,
put it together. Good lunch, good afternoon snack, whatever it is. So
thanks for watching our channel again. Please like this video if you like it. Subscribe to us. Leave us a comment down if you're going to try this, or if there's another version of Spam that you've always made, and let us know how you do it so we can try something different. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment.
I just said that.
I'm telling you, man, like there's something in here that's cheesy. I've had this before.
So maybe when when you got the microphone, I may have like shredded some Parmigiano Reggiano on it.
Did you bougie up my frugal sandwich?
I had to because I didn't have faith in you at first.